Hello, children. Today we are using the words he and she. We are going to make some sentences using he, is, or she is. Now let's see what we know so far. So far we've done the word you, and we use the word you with the word are. We say you are. We also did I am. When you are speaking, you call yourself I. You call the second person you are speaking to you. Today we are going to look at she and he. Now let's look at the word he. 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 Now here's a sentence about the boy. Now we call the boys he. The boys and the men, we call them he. Now we can say something about this boy here. We can say he, and we use the word he with the word is. He is a boy. Read it. He is a boy. How many boys are we speaking about here? Right, we are talking about just one boy. We are speaking about him. We're saying what he is. Now we can also make sentences using he is to talk about what the boy is doing. What is he doing here? He is reading a book. Let's read it together. He is reading a book. That's what he's doing right now. He is reading a book. Now, where's this boy? He is at school. This little boy has gone to school. If we were talking about where he is, we can say he is at school. Now let's look at the words she. We just made sentences using he is. He is a boy. He is reading a book. He's at school. Now we can use the word she. She means girls, ladies, right? We call them she. We use the word she in the same way we use the word he, with the word is. Now let's make a sentence about this picture. Let's look at her. Yes, she's a lady, so we call her she. But she's a special lady. She's dressed up in a certain uniform that only nurses wear. So she is a nurse. Let's read it together. She is a nurse. How many nurses am I speaking about there? One. Now we use the word is when we are talking about one person. When we were talking about the boy, we said he is at school. There's only one boy at school. Here we have only one nurse, so we use the word is. She is a nurse. Now here's another person that we can talk about. She is happy. Read it now. She is happy. Once again, we are talking about one person, so we use the word is. Now, this little girl is doing something in her bed. She is asleep. There's only one little girl on the bed there, so we use the word is. She is asleep.